Welcome and thank you for your interest in Trendrating, a premier provider of leading-edge technology and advanced analytics, serving hundreds of institutions worldwide. Profit from the performance dispersion across stocks with Trendrating. Trendrating's methodology is designed to identify price trends with a time horizon of 6 to 18 months. Our A-driven, multi-factor trend discovery model issues 4 grade ratings to assess the actual direction and quality of trends. A and B ratings confirm bull trends, while C and D ratings signal bear phases. Here you have a few example charts showing Trendrating in action. Let's analyze the S&P 500 investment universe, for example. Let's calculate the average return of all the components over the past 3 and 6 months. We can see that over the past 3 months, these securities have recorded an average performance of plus 2% and plus 8.5% over the past 6 months. Now, let's see how Trendrating can discriminate positive versus negative trends. A and B rated stocks identify bull trends, C and D rating signals bear phases. By selecting positively rated stocks, the list goes down to 310 securities. As we can see now, the returns of these securities strongly increased over the same period of time, reaching almost a plus 20% average performance over the past 6 months. Now, let's see the other side of the coin, the losers. Those stocks promptly identified with negative C and D ratings by Trendrating proprietary A-driven model. The list goes down to 187. We can see that the returns are now negative over the same period of time. What are we trying to prove here? Trendrating effectiveness in correctly and promptly separating the winners from the losers and therefore the ability to exploit the broad performance dispersion across stocks. Now, let's analyze how Trendrating can help improving a few sample strategies. We start with a value-oriented strategy, selecting out of the S&P 500 universe those stocks with a price-to-earnings ratio of less than 13. We have 67 securities. We can see that the average return over the past 3 and 6 months is flat, if not negative. Let's see if we can improve this by selecting only positively rated stocks. Here we go. By selecting stocks positively rated by Trendrating, the list goes down to 30 stocks. This time, the average performance is positive, reaching a plus 17% over the past 6 months, while before the return was flat. Let's do the same exercise for a growth-driven strategy. This time we select those stocks out of the S&P 500 universe with the last 3 months' earnings growth of minimum 10%. We can see that these 103 stocks recorded a positive average gain over the past 3 and 6 months. However, could we improve the returns? Sure. With the help of Trendrating, the return strongly increased. This time, the average performance of these 78 stocks is plus 25% over the past 6 months. To summarize this exercise, Trendrating can help to discriminate between positive versus negative trends, delivering superior returns consistently. Cut the noise, stay on top of trends. Contact us at discover@trendrating.net to request your brief demo session today or visit our corporate website to learn more. Thank you for your attention.